Hi children, I welcome you all for today's online class. Okay, so today you all will be very happy to learn a new topic which is very easiest topic which is very familiar to you all. Okay children, what is the topic? Okay, in today's online class we will discuss about the chapter 2. Already we have finished the chapter 1. So in today's online class we will discuss about the chapter 2. In chapter 2, addition and subtraction children. Okay, and when I say the word addition and subtraction, everybody would have you know excited. So it is very easiest like that. Okay children, so this topic we are going to discuss about. In the addition and subtraction for grade 5th standard, in this part we will see addition and exercise 1. So the exercise 1 will be based on the addition children. Okay children, so come let us go for today's topic. And before we go for today's topic, let us warm up something. Okay, so whatever if you go to play, and first we should warm up like that. Before we learn this, we shall do practice some questions. Okay, the first question is add 856 and 347. Okay, so in our lower classes we have learned how to add these numbers. Okay, this number is given in the row wise, so let us rewrite these numbers in the column wise. So 856, then 347. Okay, so now we need to add. So this is the symbol for addition. Okay, now when we add a number, so we will start to add from the ones digit onwards. So ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, now 6 plus 7, how much here? 6 plus 7 is 13. For 13, 3, 1 carry, so that 1 will carry to the next digit. What is the next digit? Tens digit. Okay, now this 1 carried number, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. For 10 you should write 0 and 1 will carry to the next digit. Now that 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, 2 you should write right below to the 100 place, then 1 will come to the next, it will go to the next digit. Now the answer is 1203 children. So the sum or answer, if you add the 856 and 347, we will get as an answer 1203. Okay, let us go for another question. Add 20 and 48. Add 20 and 48. Same like that. 20 and 48. So now add the numbers. 0 plus 8 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Now 68 is the answer now. So now I believe you all interested in how the concept addition comes here. For example, Arun bought 5 pencils and his mother gave him 2 pencils more. Now, first he bought 5 pencils. Okay, children. Arun bought 5 pencils and his mother gave 2 pencils. So now the question is, totally how many pencils he has now? That is the question. Let us understand like this, children. He has, let us write the answer for this. He has 5 pencils and he bought 5 pencils first, and his mother gave 2 pencils. If we add 2 more pencils with the 5 pencils, we will get the 10 pencils here. So now the what we are adding first here, 5 and 2. Okay, where the 5 and 2 are called the addend, because this is what we have to add here. Okay, so what we are going to add here, 5 and 2. Okay, so therefore it is called a addend. So when we add some numbers, we will get answer. Okay, that answer we will call as a sum. Do you understand? So when we add some numbers, and that numbers are called addend. Okay, so after that addition, we will get the answer. That answer is called a sum. Okay, now, so when we add, we use the symbol to do the operation addition. Okay, the symbol is this symbol, its name is plus. This name is plus. Okay, which means it will add to the previous one. This 2 will add with 5. Okay, that is what it means here. And 5 and 2 we should add. Okay, this plus symbol represents that we should sum it. We should add it. Okay, so the number which we add is called addend. Okay, its answer is called sum. That's what we need to understand from this. Okay, children, this is how the addition comes here. Now, if we may add 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, 6 numbers. Okay, the thing is, how many numbers you may add any number of digits. Okay, there is not issue. So when we add numbers, that numbers are called addend. So the answer part is called a sum. That is the thing I try to say. In addition, the numbers which are to be added are called addends. The result is called the sum. Okay, in addition, this is what we need to understand. So only two things, addend and sum. Addend is the number which we are to be added. The result is called the sum, children. That is addition. In addition, let us understand this concept by adding some numbers here. Example, add these two numbers. Okay, which is 4,06,905 and 4,56,184. This is given in the vertical line or in the row method. Okay, now, so whenever we have questions, we should try to write in the column method. This method. Okay, the column method is first write the place values which we have already learnt in the previous lesson. The place digits. Okay, place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Okay, and you might be aware of these things, okay, in the previous lesson and previous chapter. Now we are going to place these two numbers according to the digits now. Okay, we have placed these numbers like this, but when you add the numbers here. Now the children, it's very easiest one. When we have a numbers to add to sum, first we should start from the ones digit onwards, which is from small digits onwards. I mean from rightmost digit onwards. Okay, the rightmost digit is its ones place, which is a small. We should start from the unit digit onwards. Okay, there is ones. Now let us understand like this, which is equals to, first we should start from ones digits, which is 5 and 4. 5 plus 4 is how much here? 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, doesn't carry any number, so it should be written as it is. Next, we should go to the tens place. In the tens place, 0 and 8 is there. You should add 0 and 8 here. 0 plus 8 is 8. Okay, there is no carry here. Same as it is, we should write. Next, hundreds place. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, next, there is no carry here, so we should go for next digit. So 9 plus 6 is 15. Okay, here the thing is we cannot write in 15 here. Okay, so first you should in the 15, this is where you need to concentrate very more very carefully. So we got 9 plus 6 is 15. For 15 we should not write 15 in the same place. We should write the 5 in the thousands place. This 1 will carry to the 10,000s place. Do you understand, children? 1 will carry to the 10,000s place, and you should write here 1. Okay, now we should add 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay, now we'll go to the lakhs place. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, now the answer is, if you put comma, the answer is 8,65,789 children. Okay, so if the question is given in the row method, okay, which is meant row method, okay, straight it is given, this method is row method. So you arrange this question in the column method. This is a column method, one by one. Okay, then you start to add from the rightmost number, which means you should start to add from the ones digit onwards. Okay, shall we go for next example is, now this time we have a 3 numbers here. Okay, in the same way it is given in the row method. First let us write in the column method. So answer or solution, the solution part, first write the place values. Okay, crore, you know, it is already all learned. Crore, 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones here. Okay, now the next you write 3 numbers according to the its place value. Just write it. Okay, now we need to add these 3 numbers now. So children, I ask you one thing. So from which digit onwards we should start to add now? Yes, you're right. So we should start from the ones digit onwards. Where it is here, it's 7. Okay, in this number 7 is the ones digit, in this number 2 is the ones digit, in this number 6 is in the ones digit. Now we start to write 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. Now we got 15 here. Okay, in this you should ask a question, why we should write only 5 here, why should we should carry this 1 here? Because in this 15, 5 ones here, so once we should write in the ones place. Now this 1 shows it's a 1 tens here, so it should go to the tens place, 110. Okay, so 5 ones, so ones should come to the ones place, 10 should go to the tens place. That is the reason we need we carry to this, we carry this 1 to the next digit. So if 1 goes to the other digit, add it. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 7 is 22. For 22 to carry, then 2 should write. Okay, right. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 14. For 14 write 4 and 1 carry. Now add it. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15. Okay, for 15 write 5, 1 carry to the next digit, which is 10,000 space. Then 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 plus 8 is 23. Okay, for 23, 3 should write and 2 carry. Now 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14. 14, 1 carry to the next digits. 1 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 9 is 16. For 16, 6 you write, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay, now we'll put a comma, comma. Therefore the answer is 8 crore 64 lakh 35,425 children. So I hope you understood this addition. It is very easiest one. So let's go for example exercise children. So children, now we have learnt how to add the numbers. Okay, now exercise 1. So the first question is, so we need to add these two given numbers now. Okay, first step. So as we did earlier, so we should start from the ones digit onwards. Okay, this is the question. Ones digit, what is the number? 8 and 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay, for 4, okay, just children, just understand this question, then and you can do yourself. 8 plus 6 is how much here? 14. Okay, now in the 14, 110 is there and 4 ones is there, so the ones you should write in the ones place, 4. Then this tens, how many tens here? 1 tens, this should carry to the tens place. Do you understand children? So it is same for other number also. So if it comes here, it carried to the next digit. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So here there is no carry. Now we'll start as usual with the addition of hundreds places here. 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, now 10, for 10, 0, 1 carry to the next digit. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 9 is 11. For 11, 1 carry, 1 you should write here. 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay, now 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3000 37 lakh 61,094 children. Next question is, okay, so we should do the second question now. Now we'll start from the ones digit. 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay, now what we should carry? 1 we should write in the ones place and 1 should carry to the tens place. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. For 15, 5. 1 carried to the next digit. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 1 9 is 9 plus 1 is 10. For 10, 0, 1 carried to the next digit. 1 plus 7 is 8. Okay, then 3 plus 9 is 12. For 12, write to 1 carry to the next digit. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 15. For 15, write 5 and 1 carry to the next digits. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 35 lakh 28,051 is the answer, children. So I expect all the children to take a note and copy. The next question is, so first this is the given question. Okay, now we should write the answer now. Same. Shall we start, children? Okay, now we'll start from ones digit onwards. 5 plus 9 is 14. For 14, 4 carry. So now, okay, now 5 plus 9 is 14. For 14, 4 you should write 1 carry to the next digit. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Again, for 14, write 4. 1 carry to the next digit. Now 1 plus 4, 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. There is no carry in this place. 7 plus 6 is 13. For 13, write 3. 1 carry to the next digit. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. For 11, write 1. 1 carry to the next digit. Now 2 plus 3 is 7. Sorry, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. So 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 will come as it is. Therefore the answer is, we to come on now, 5 crore 58 lakh. So the next question is question number 4. Okay, this is the given question, children. So let us start giving the answer. Now 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. For 15, write 5, 1 carry to the next digit, 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16. For 16, 1 carry, 6 you write, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. For 15, write 5, 1 carry to the next digit. So 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14. For 14, write 4, 1 carry to the next digits. Then 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 plus 9 is 20. For 20, write 0, 2 carry to the next digit. 2 plus 4 is 8, sorry, 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 plus 3 is 18. For 18, write 8, 1 carry to the next digit. So 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 7 is 12. For 12, write 2, 1 carry to the next digit. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4, 6 is 9. Okay, so this is the answer. If you put comma, and you will get it like this: 9 crore 28 lakh 4,506. Next question is question number 5. We have 3 numbers here too. Okay, let us solve this. 6 plus 6 is 12. For 12, 1 carry to the next digit. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11, 1 carry to the next digit. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 1 carry to the next digit. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 8, 7 is 18, 1 carry to the next digit. Okay, now 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 9 is 20. For 20, write 0, 2 carry, 2 plus 6 is 8, children. Okay, this is the answer. 80 lakh 86,172. Next question is 6. So there is a question. There are 4 numbers here. Let us solve it. It is very easiest one. Now 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. For 21, write 1, 2 carry to the next digit. So 2 plus 9 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14. For 14, write 4, 1 carry to the next digits. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, then 0, 1 carry to the next digit. So 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 19, 19 plus 6 is 25. For 25, write 5, then 2 carry to the next digit. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 5 plus 9 is 14, 14 plus 9 is 19. So 14 plus 5 is 19. So for 19, write 9, 1 carry to the next digit. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, now 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 plus 9 is 22, 22 plus 4 is 26. For 26, 6 and 2 carry. Okay, now 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 8 is 12. Write 12 as it is because there is no digit next, so we can write as it is. Now if you put comma, so 12 crore 68 lakh 895,000. The next question is 7th question. Okay, So first you write the place values and we'll start the write the numbers here. First number, second number, and third number, fourth number. Okay, now we should write the answer. Now we'll start write the answer. Okay, by adding from the unit digit onwards. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. For 12, write to 1 carry to the next digits. Now 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. For 12, write to 1 carry to the next digit. Okay, now 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, 14, 4 right, 1 carry. 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus 7 is 27. Okay, so for 27 write 7, 2 carry. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 5 is 19. For 19 write 9, 1 carry to the next digit. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 3 is 16 plus 3 is how much, children? So 19 again. So write 9 again, 1 carry to the next digit. So now 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 15, 15 plus 7 is 22. For 22, 2 right and 2 carry. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 13. So 1 carry to the next digit. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4 you should write here. Now if you add all this, now just put a comma. So you can read 43 crore 29 lakh 97. Next question is B main. Arrange in the columns and add the following, children. Very simple question in the B main, the first question. Okay, same, this is the given question. So totally 4 numbers here. Okay, let us add this number by starting from the unit digit onwards. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 13. For 13 write 3, 1 carry to the next digits. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 9 is 15, 15 plus 9 is 24, 24, 4 and 2 carry. 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17. For 17 write 7, 1 carry. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17. For 17 write 7, 1 carry to the next digit. Okay, now 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 0 is 10, and 10 plus 3 is 13. For 13 write 3, 1 carry to the next digit. Now 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 6, 7 is 16. For 16 write 6, 1 carry to the next digit. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, now 9, 1 9 will come as it is because there is no number here. Okay, there is no number here, so it will come as it is. Now you put a comma according to the places. Now you can read 19 crore 66 lakh 37,743 is the answer for this question, children. So I hope it is very easiest one, just a simple okay, I think you all are concentrating very well. Okay, so I believe these questions are very interesting to add these small numbers and big numbers at all. Okay, now we'll go to this second question. This is the second question. In the second question there are 4 numbers we need to add. Again we'll start to add the numbers now. 3 plus 8. We'll start from ones digit onwards. 3 plus 8 is how much here, children? Okay, 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus 9 is 29. So 9 you should write. 2 carry. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 7 plus 8 is, sorry, Again we'll add 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, 17 plus 8 is 25, 25 plus 4 is 29, so 2 carry. Okay, now 2 plus 9 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 19, 19 plus 1 is 20, 20 plus 8 is 28. So for 28 write 28 and 2 carry to the next digit. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17. Okay, 1 carry to the next digit. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 1 is 14. Okay, 1 carry to the next digit. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 9 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 19, 19 plus 4 is 23. Okay, 3 right and 2 carry. Now 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay, 2 carry to the next digit. So 2 plus 7 is 9. So keep a comma now, comma, and 9 crore 43 lakh 47,899 is the answer for this question. Okay, which is assessment. In the assessment, add the following. Okay, let us assess what we have learned. Okay, I'll give a simple question here. Only the few numbers here, which is 3 numbers here. Okay, let us add these numbers. Okay, children, so from which digit I should start to add now? Yes, of course, it is from the ones digit onwards. 8 plus 9 is, okay, we'll start. 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 plus 2 is 19. For 19 write 9, 1 carry to the next digit. 1 plus 9 2 is 3, 3 plus 9 is 12. So for 12, 2 carry, 2 right, 1 carry to the next digits. So 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. For 11 you should write 1 and 1 carry to the next digit. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 you should write, there is no carry here. Next 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. For 11 you should write 1, 1 carry to the next digit. 1 plus 3 7 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 2 is 18. Okay, for 18 write 8, 1 carry to the next digit. Now 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 carry to the next digits. 1 plus 5 is, sorry, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay, there is no digit there, so write as it is 11. Okay, now this is the answer. So 11 crore 28 lakh 16,121 will be the answer, children. We have a homework, children, so try to solve this homework. Okay, let us see how many numbers are there here. So totally 4 numbers here. Okay, 4 numbers here. You try to add the 4 numbers. Okay, so from where you will start to add the numbers, from unit digit onwards you should start to add the number. If the number carries, you should carry to the next digit. Okay, you should carry to the next digit. If does not carry, write as it is. Okay, if you finished the last number addition, so if you got 11 or 2-digit number, so you should write as it is. Okay, you don't need to carry if there is no place there. Okay, children, so I hope you all understood very well, and you all learned very interesting things, important things in this online class. Today's online class. Okay, in today's online class we have learned about the addition. Okay, so addition, which symbol do we use to add the numbers? Plus. Okay, and this symbol plus is the symbol which we use to add a numbers, children. Okay, so the numbers which we add are called the addend here. Okay, for example 5 plus 8. Okay, 5, where we add this 5 and 8, these numbers are called addend. Okay, it's result. What is the answer now? 5 plus 8 is how much here? 13. This answer, the 13 is called a sum here. Okay children, so this is what we have learned. It may be for 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit number, and 3 number, 4 number, 5 number. For every number it is very easiest one, children. Okay, thank you for watching, children. So let us see in the next part.